Welcome to my next video in my series on how to finish a basement the hard way. All my hard work preparing the subfloor is about to pay off. I chose a product called Cali bamboo flooring for my basement floor. I sticker stacked the planks in my basement for many months before I installed it. This gave the wood time to acclimate to my basement environment. I needed to decide which direction I would install the boards. Often boards are run parallel to the longest wall. However, my biggest deciding factor was the landing at the bottom of the stairs, and installing the flooring in this area was easiest in only one direction. I also preferred this orientation because it seemed to make a stronger flooring at the other two doorways. It's good to ensure that opposing walls are parallel to one another, especially when laying out plank flooring like this. You can see here that my walls are parallel to within less than a 1/16 of an inch along the length of this longer wall. Way to go, OCD! It's important to have underlayment between the subfloor and the flooring planks. This softens the feel and reduces flooring noise. I had two choices for underlayment: cork or this thin green foam padding. I chose this product from the flooring manufacturer. It was cheap and it also provides an additional moisture barrier. These reversible clamps were very helpful for providing a little bit of extra mechanical advantage to fine-tuning the alignment of this first row of boards. The flooring installation was quick and easy to install. Just watch out for splinters though. Bamboo splinters are the worst. Since this is a floating floor, there's no need for glue or nails. But you do need to allow an extra 1/2 inch around the outside of the boards. This allows for expansion and contraction due to seasonal moisture changes. The only problem I experienced when installing was on the very last row. I was left with a very narrow gap, and ripping a thin strip just didn't work. So I took advantage of my woodshop equipment. I ripped some similar looking planks so that I could glue them together to form extra wide planks. The Festool Domino is an excellent tool for this purpose. The combined weight of all these bamboo planks is surprising, and it did a really nice job of quieting the subfloor creaking. I think this bamboo flooring looks fantastic. It's durable and really brightens up a dark basement room.